Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I came past, I got this Porsche Boxster 986 that I'm just fixing the actual roof. What happened is this roof wasn't working properly, so I've stripped it down. This is the brand new gearbox inside there. So you got a gearbox here. This one here was seized. This gearbox was seized. Right hand side gearbox was seized. You got a cable, and the gearbox is connected to the cable. And the gearbox is driven by this motor here. That motor there spins, which the cable, this is your actually power from the motor. So this one spins, which spins the cable that goes to there, same on that side there, and they both work at the same time instantly, which turn the gearbox left or right, depending if you want to open the roof or close the roof. So when the cables turn, gearbox turn, which is connected, the gearbox is connected to the actual the driving arm, the linking arm for the gearbox here, which is connected to your actual roof rods arms, which connects to here, it goes to there, and then this one here connects to this arm here, which is connects to your deck lid. This is your deck lid here. Alright, so this one goes up, then the roof goes down. Your deck lid goes up first, then the roof goes down, and the deck lid comes back down and locks in to place. All right, so it's pretty not really complicated system, but you just got to make sure that you do the actual sometimes you can get the timing can be out. So this marking on the actual gearbox here, I'll show you what I mean. See that mark there? There's your timing mark. Make sure those marks are in line with this one before you install the gearbox. Okay, so I've installed it already. These are, and the torques for the gearbox bolts, they're 23 Newton meters. There's 3 of them, 2 at the bottom, 1 on top, so it's 23 Newton meters, same as that one there. But make sure that you always lubricate that ball joint there, the little ball joint there, and the arm, that part of the arm there, must make sure you lubricate. Those are very important because they turn all the time. And I use this part here. It's made by Worth. It's brake protection, high temperature. It stops anything from getting seized with the calipers. And what I found, I use them on anything on the roof, any kind of roof I work on, and they're really good. They lubricate, stay on, they're waterproof as well, so that's what you want. Alright, so a lot of stuff on the market you can use, but this one here works good for me. So that one there is going to be done, and lubricate the little arm here as well, that part there. This ball joint there will go inside here, which I already lubricated, and then we'll go from there. Alright, just want to share that with you guys. If someone's doing some roof somewhere, it's very important to actually diagnose it properly. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.